Greek mythology says, let the gods keep the wolves in the hills.
Yay!
And the women on our beds.
You should be looking that side because it's very important.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Akasekho emhlabeni uPresley Chweneyagae. I hope I didn't butcher his surname. Presley was an actor and also a director. He was born in 1984 in Soweto, eTransvaal. Khona lana eSouth Africa. Kanumnyaka lona abekana 40 years. He was an actor and a director known for his role leya 2005 iTsotsi kanye futhi neMandela A Long Walk to Freedom 2013. Sambona futhi nalapha ku The River adlala irole ya Cobra from 2018 kani tindzaba tokudlula kwakhe emhlabeni ativakale namhla ekuseni. His family and close friends did confirm ukuthi vele akasekho emhlabeni, and people are so shocked. Ave sishaqekile or ave sithukile cause we didn't even hear ukuthi maybe he's sick or something. Leti ndzaba leti nje nathi sithuse kakhulu because we really didn't expect this, and balabaningi bayasho ukuthi a legend has fallen. Bekuliqhawe guys ke leli. So balabaningi njena they are saying ukuthi kwaze kwaba buhlungu kakhulu, and people are sending their condolences and their messages. Emndenini bayasho ukuthi kungazothi inkosi yami bangadududeka silahlekele sonke seNingizimu Afrika. People are really shocked ukuthi njani njani. People are hurt. Some still don't believe ukuthi it's true. I saw my comments even but TikTok people are saying no, this can't be true because asikaze usive anything, and they haven't revealed his cause of death, meaning ukuthi asathi ukuthi kwendakaleni, but asithembe ukuthi ngokuhamba kwemalanga we will definitely know ukuthi what really happened to him. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out. Goodbye.